Dido, we're going to unbox the, what's this? Black Series. Okay? It's like assembling the toy. Okay? We'll open. Open up. Here. Other side. Okay, there's a table, Dido. There's a table. Yeah. And also it has stand. Yeah, we have to put first the stand, Dido. How to put it? Like this. The other one. Yes, we will. Later, Dido, we will use that one. The other one. And 4. Wait. Oh, no. Should be like this. Okay. It's like a table. Now you will put some bricks here. You try to put the other one like that. If you want to put something like that. This. Okay. You have to put them here, anak. Put like this. Like this. You have to build something. Build some house or a robot or something, Dido. Car. Whatever you like. You can build like a truck, ship, helicopter, the tank, the robot, tortoise, crocodile, and the tree. What is that, Dido? You want to build a car? Or a truck? Or a tank? He's busy. He's building something. I don't know what he's building. What's that, Zid?